Welcome to Online Learning Box, and today in this session we are going to learn about human body proportions. So without wasting any time, so we are just to start human body proportions. So I'm just try to roughly draw a human body, and after that we are going to divide its parts with the help of some strokes or some lines. So here it's a one line drawing, so you can clearly see it's a human body, and after that we'll definitely learn the human body proportion. So it's a simple basic part about human body proportions. This is the font face. Okay, so please see this carefully. It is very important if you want to be an artist. So this is a rough drawing. Okay, so this is a human body proportion. So here I'm just want to delete this one. This is line is not, I'm not happy with this line, so here it is. So this one, and here on the right of this portion, so it's a collarbone portion section, and you can clearly see this one, and so this is a simple and basic structure of human body, font face. So put it here, and now see the what I have told you, that this cancel whatever. So here, sorry, cancel this one. Now with the help of pen tool, just try to draw some line. So it's not necessary here, just sorry for this mistake. Just with the help of this brush, and now draw this one, and this one, and this one, this is line, and this one, and this one. So here the 8 line I have to draw for so here it is another line in this portion. Okay, and now this is another line in this portions, and this one, and the final part, this one. So this is the main thing, main parts here. So you can clearly understand the basic things, the basic drawing or illustration. So just removing this unnecessary thing. So here the part. So for more understanding, I'm here taking another instance of uh, this. Right, I'm just taking aside this one, and now taking another instance of the. So here another instance of an old model. So great instance. So here we just divide this part with some portions. Okay, so draw this type of line so clearly understand. This is head portion, this one the head portion, sorry, so this one this portion. So if you draw a circle like this, you draw a circle like this, okay, exactly to this point, so you can clearly see this circle. So now what I'm going to do, just hitting alt, and with the help of alt just I need some, so clearly understand, this is a head part. I'm just replicate the size of head, okay, just repeating the size of head, nothing but the size of head, the understanding the matter. So here this is the total portion cover up, sorry, portion cover up. So our this is a golden ratio according to this figure, okay. So here this one, this one, this one, and another, you can clearly understand what's happening here. So this is actually the ending part, okay. So what I'm going to teach here, what I'm going to try, so just here I'm with the help of some pencil tool, just it is not necessary for this, not necessary, okay, just clearly understand, so not necessary, and this part is necessary, the this part, okay. So if another thing you can do here, just control Z, with the help of control Z, the thing you can do, this is called draw inside. If it is selected, then see the magic, it is selected, then what I'm going to do, just red color, take red color, and now draw inside. If anything I sorry, here it's unnecessary. If I draw anything inside, if I draw anything, it is clearly put inside, okay, put inside. So this is a bonus tips, so removing everything, now hitting alt and put it here, see our main things, and with the help of alt put everything in behind. So this is the main thing. So if you divide these things, this is 1, this is 2, this one 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7, and 8. This is half, okay. this is the main thing. And now the help of this is not writing clearly, so I'm taking this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and this one a half. So this is the main thing. And now this portion, now this one, if you draw a line like so, this is a line like line. So this portion is 2 and 4. This portion, this torso part, this one, the middle of 2, and now sorry, middle of 2, and this middle of this is a torso part. So torso part, and after that that's a lower part from the 4, middle of 4. This is a lower part, middle of 4, and 6, middle of 4 and 6. This is a lower part. Okay, lower part. So here our and this one is another part from this thing to this thing. So the main here, this one to this one. So join this one. Okay. Okay. Before ending all of this session, let's understand once again just this one, and this is a grid, and you can clearly understand why this grid section, this body proportions, and you can clearly understand this is part wise this grid section. So here if I numbering this one, so here vertical line and horizontal line is 1 2 3 4. Okay, and now this sections is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, because this is 7.5, this is 7.5. Okay, so this is actually this portion, this actually this portion, sorry, this actually this one. Okay, so I will draw this one, so this is a half, 7.5 half. So you can understand clearly this one, and let's try to draw this statue or this sculpture. Let's try to draw here. You can download this illustrations from my website or the video descriptions, or I will give you a download link. You can easily download this one. So so let's try to draw this one. So here rough drawing of this sections. So this is a reference image, and this one, to draw. So this is a rough drawing. Okay, so you can clearly understand what it is doing here. You can make logo by this illustrations easily. You can make logo. So let's say just a rough drawing. So here I'm just taking this one. So this is actually this top row part. So here it is a part. So this one. So here if you're practicing the C curve and S curve, it will be very helpful for you. So practice lots of time, and I'm always telling you that practice make one person's very perfect. So keep practicing, my friend, and if you practice and one day you will get prize from this. So this is a rough drawing of this structure. So I think that this video tutorial is very helpful, going to be very helpful for you in future. So please give me a thumbs up for making this video. It will give me really give me inspirations. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.